Here at Hamilton Caster, one of our slogans is, we manufacture the toughest on the planet. What this translates to is our casters, wheels, and material handling equipment are designed in such a way that they are going to outlast and outperform the competition.
We have solutions for a variety of industries, including aerospace and defense, automotive, ergonomic, energy, heavy manufacturing, among others.
Our quality, I believe anyhow, is better than any. We are over-designed in many ways just because we don't want our customers to have problems. We want to make sure they can trust it, and that in every daily activity of where it's being used, in every application, that it does great for them and there aren't any problems or any worries with it.
We provide a 3-year warranty to a lot of our products, but we wouldn't do that if we didn't have a lot of high-quality testing programs here on site.
Building the toughest on the planet means that we manufacture all of our products to having a 4-times safety factor. We do this to factor in any accidental misuse or overloading that might occur that wasn't initially accounted for. And so we go through numerous testing and durability testing with all of our products before we're able to rate them and sell them.
We put our products through the ringer when it comes to testing. We know the forces it takes to initiate the movement, and we publish that for our customers. We use FEA on the truck side to make sure our products will hold up over time. Our customers appreciate that we provide CAD models so that they can easily integrate into their projects. This is helpful because they know that they will perform the right way in their specific application.
I've been in this industry for 38 years, and in my 38 years I've never seen a better built product.